Hey guys, and today I have a special video for you all. Today I will be unboxing a brand new iPhone 4S. Now some of you might be thinking, why would you open a brand new sealed iPhone 4S? Aren't those like worth a lot of money or will be? Well, cause the thing is, I'm not going to be. In fact, I will be unboxing this iPhone 4S, which is new, I can confirm that, but is not sealed. Basically, the story behind these, well, as you can see on this one, the seal is a little torn, but it is indeed sealed and brand new and intact. And I can confirm both of these have never been activated. So, anyways, the story behind these is I did find an eBay listing for iPhone 4S's. There was a whole bunch of them. Brand new. It was like old stock from like Radio Shack. Anyways, it was actually pretty cheap for sealed iPhones. They were like $35 US a piece, which is pretty good. It's pretty much a steal. So I bought two of them because I thought, well, basically my plan was I have this iPhone 4S right here. This one runs iOS 5. So you can see, let me just see, let's focus. Yeah, it runs 5.1.1. So my plan with this one, I basically purchased a white 16 gigabyte and a black 8 gigabyte. My plan was to open on video the 8 gigabyte one, and maybe also with another video do a board swap between the brand new 8 gigabyte one and this one. This is 16 gig, by the way. But when I received it, and my other plan was to keep the white one sealed and never open it. But when I got them today, I was surprised. First of all, I got a 16 gigabyte black iPhone 4S, which I ordered an 8 gigabyte black, not 16, but still pretty cool, and it's on iOS 5 and it's sealed. Gotta be careful with that little flap there. Make sure I don't tear it anymore. And then I got this iPhone 4S, which was what I ordered, but it didn't come sealed, which is odd, but I can confirm it's new. And before I recorded this, I did open this because I thought, well, it's already open. And I did give it a charge to confirm it does work. And I can confirm it is on the setup screen. And seems to run its original iOS. So now, my plan is to open this one, because, I mean, it's already unsealed, so why not? So yeah, I will not be opening a brand new one, because this might become worth quite a bit one day. Oops, didn't mean to do that, despite the little tear, but I don't think that's going to be too big of a deal. Anyways, I'm going to start unboxing it. Okay, let's start. Just gonna, since it's not sealed, and there it is. As you can see, if I pull it out here, getting my fingerprints all over it, it is brand new. And I'm gonna put this over to the side, take out the little thing there. You can see we have all our accessories, brand new, never been touched or opened. But one thing I will do is not touch these. I'm gonna leave them sealed. And let's open this now. As you can see, it has your little SIM tool there. Got fingertips. Quick start guide, iPhone 4S. And your Apple stickers. I was just gonna be like, wait, the Apple stickers aren't there? And I didn't open this yet. So this is my kind of first experience with this. And no, I did not get scammed. This is a legit brand new one. And I'm not gonna like contact the seller just because it was so cheap. I mean, It's not honestly that big of a deal. And I honestly plan on ordering a couple more because they're so cheap. And yeah, they're going to be worth something one day. Anyways, I'm going to just close this back up. Keep this as nice as possible. And yeah, it doesn't really matter if I activate this because it's already, the seal's been already taken off. So that already decreases the value by quite a lot. But what I won't do is peel off the plastic because that, I want to keep it nice and mint. So you can see, yeah, I already did give it a charge. Put it down, put it in focus, and slide to set up. As you can see, yeah. I don't know if it has a SIM or not in it. I haven't checked. I guess I'll see when I activate it. So English, Spanish. It's not focusing for some reason. Maybe if I just zoom in on the phone here. Bear with me. Just move the box out of the way. And set it up. So we got English. Next, I actually live in Canada. So, enable location services. And the next part will be setting up the Wi-Fi. So I'll just move this out of the way because I don't want you to get my password. And in the meantime, you can stare at this already opened, definitely. And oh, by the way, I planned on getting the 8GB one because this one, even though it's in like very good condition, does have quite a few scratches on the back. I don't know if you can see it, but they're there. So the front on this one's pretty mint though. It's just the back. But I thought, well, might as well, since I'm getting it. And I planned on using the 8GB one that would be in this housing for my car for music, but that didn't really happen. But yeah, you can stare at that while I set up the Wi-Fi password. Bear with me. And it's activating. Yep, and now it's officially not new. It's officially been activated. I'm curious to see if it gives it warranty. I'm going to actually check it after I record this. But yep, it's official. It's no longer brand new. Skip the step. Skip. Well, technically it wasn't brand new out of the box because it had already been unsealed. So technically it wasn't brand new, but still technically it is. Here we go. And it runs iOS 5. Yep. I'm gonna see if, what version? 5.1.1. That's interesting, because I did actually check it on, there's this website called sndeep.info, and I did check the serial numbers on both of them, and based off the date of manufacture, or the weekday, the week, they were made like, this one was week 24 of 2012, and the other one was week 23, and that corresponds to around June, and 5.1.1 was the latest at the time. So I was expecting they would run 5.1.1. I just wanted to see how accurate it was, but yeah, it is brand new. Well, technically not now, but yeah, it's there. I'm just gonna see if I can enable, because my OCD, battery percentage. But yeah, this is the 4S. This one has nothing on it. But yeah, I just unactivated it because I thought, well, it's already opened. But yeah, I will show screenshots of it being unactivated on Apple's website before, you know, when I said that they were unactivated earlier in the video. But yeah, see, it's brand new. So there we go. Some people would say, some Apple fanboys would say I just committed a sin. I mean, it was technically already unsealed, so I mean, not a lot, but I guess, yeah. Since it was unactivated and basically brand new, now it's been exposed to the outside world. But this one right here, oh shit. Oops. I grabbed it the wrong way and thought I tore the seal, which I didn't. But there we go. Yeah, this like seal is super fragile, especially if you have a rip in yours like me. It's not too much of a worry since I will be probably ordering a couple others, but still. Yeah, I do not want to unseal this thing. But yeah, this thing will stay sealed. This one was already unsealed, so it worked out. But yeah, there we go. This 4 has lost its virginity to being brand new. And here's this other 4S I have, also on 5.1.1. This one isn't new. And yeah, this one I have a whole bunch of apps on from around the time. Well, Geometry Dash is newer, but you get the point. And that's a benchmarking app, so is that. But, you know, you got Temple Run, classic. Remember playing this on places like this. No thank you. Yeah. It's hard to play through a camera, but yeah. Yeah, you get the point. There's this RC Plane app, which I played as a kid, Hurdle Turtle. I don't know if many of you have heard of these games, but yeah, I played these as a kid. But yeah, so that's that. iPhone 4S unboxing. And yeah, it's hard to believe this phone's almost 8 years old. I remember getting my first iPhone 4S because that was my first OG iPhone. Although I didn't get it new and I got it on iOS 7, still this brings back memories of just having an iPhone 4S with a box, you know. In my hands, a brand new iPhone 4S. Just, oh my god. So many memories. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more.